Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am unboxing the new Disney Hocus Pocus Be Happy box from the Happy Planner. This is going to be available to purchase on Monday right at 12 a.m. So definitely set your clocks. It's going to release at midnight here on the West Coast, so Pacific Standard Time. But I'll have all the details down in the description. Right now there is a preview so you can check out like the images on the Happy Planner's website and also pricing and all that. That'll be up there too. But I'm gonna go over what's in the box so you can see a little bit more. Sometimes it's nice to see things up close. So I'm just gonna do a little preview of the box. First off, it comes in a really cool box in itself. I always love the boxes that these, especially the Disney ones that they come in, because they always look really, really cool. So we got a bunch of witchy, like kind of, you know, hocus pocus stuff. On the front you got a broom, a little kitty cat, a cauldron, some spiders. It says Happy Planner on one side, and then it opens up. And look at that tissue paper. There's always a cool tissue paper in here as well. It says Broom Squad on the sticker, which is really cute. And then in the top part it says Welcome to the Sisterhood. So you got the Sanderson sisters right there. I love Hocus Pocus. I love the first Hocus Pocus, not so much the second one, but I love, it's like classic. Definitely every Halloween watching that movie. All right, so let me open up this so you can see. I haven't seen anything. So this is gonna be my first reaction to all this stuff. So that's exciting. I have seen, because I follow a lot of Disney content creators, I have seen merch at Disney with these illustrations, since they are more of like, you know, an illustrated version of the characters. So yeah, I've been seeing this on merch at Disney, so it's cool to see it now in the planner world. So it says just a bunch of Hocus Pocus, and then you get a little info on the items. All right, so it looks like we got some cool things to go over. I'm gonna pull this off to the side and get everything out of the wrappers so you can see everything a little bit more like closely. All right, so lots of fun goodies to check out. All right, the first thing are some washi tape. There are 3 rolls. These 2 are the same size, and then this smaller one right here, I rolled it out so you can see it. I can't remember if Disney has ever done washi with the Happy Planner. They do put their logo like within the washi, which is a little interesting. But you do get 3 washi rolls in this pack. I do like this one the most, right there on the bottom. So those are the washi that are in this box. Get a pad of paper, and this one's in a fun like shape. It's different. It says Trouble is Brewing, and it's lined. Let's see on the back. It's just, oh, this is actually a big sticky note. Actually, I thought it was just a pad of paper, which essentially it is, but it's just a big, nice sticky note. So I like that. So you get a good amount of sheets in there. And then you do get some more paper. This one's funny because it says things to do before sunrise. I like the pattern down the side. And then on the back it says, Let me work my magic. And it's like an off-white color. You can see it compared to the white. Yeah, but it's a really nice like off-white color on that paper. Okay, and then you get this one's funny. This oh gosh, what are these called? Oh, bookmark. This bookmark of Thackeray Binks, which is funny. Yeah, it's an interesting one. I do like that it has the ears up at the top for like at the, so you can see the bookmark on the top of your planner. But yeah, that's a funny bookmark. Definitely good for Halloween vibes on that one. All right, and then I think these are, sorry, I'm just trying to make sure. Oh yeah, they are removable clings. It's gonna be still kind of glary. But yeah, there are removable clings here that you can stick, I think like on windows, I believe. But yeah, you get a few different images on this one. I like that Broom Squad one, that's cute. And then I think this is really cute. I'm all about cats, so I really like this one. And I like the black background, and then you got a pattern of Thackeray Binks, the kitty cat in the movie, all over. Let me see the inside actually. Oh, it's just black, which is nice. And it's a snap in, so it'll fit on your classic and big planners. So that's nice. And then there is a, let's see, is this a notebook? Yes, it's a notebook. All right, so there's a notebook. It says, "Gather round, sisters." So you got the sisters on the front. I'm trying to decide on the illustrations if I like it or not. I actually prefer this inside part, so I would totally like switch this over because I like all these images, and I didn't notice that there's like the vacuum right there, which is funny. So you got the mop and then the broom, like all the little things that they were writing. It's funny. All right, so here is the first divider. Oh, it's like Emily Binks's gravestone. "I shall always be with you." Aww. And then again, that pattern says it's just a bunch of Hocus Pocus with the sisters on the corner. And on the back, you get Thackeray Binks. And then next, "Let me work my magic." And the green reminds me of like Slytherin. Broom Squad. I really like that one. And then you get this nice like deep purple one. Okay, so that is the notebook. I love filler paper, so that's cool. And then the last thing is a sticker book. Okay, so I move my camera or my desk up so I can flip through this and you can see everything a little bit better. All right, so we have some decorative boxes. Oh, this one's funny. "Another Monday makes me sick. Tonight we fly. I suggest we form a calming circle." So yeah, some like funny kind of callbacks to the movie, little quotes. All right, then we have double boxes, some functional stickers. Little, let's see, what's this? "I put a spell on you, trouble is brewing, things to do before sunrise, and let me work my magic." Lots of gold foil. These are clear. Then we have the broom, the mop, and the vacuum, and a cauldron. These are clear. Lots of stuff with the cat. Don't forget. Boxes. Checklist. More boxes with that like beigey toned background. These are white boxes. Okay, lots of functional stickers. This is cool. I like this. It's a decorative functional box. Ooh, I like these two. These circle ones, those are cool. Nice. Header or little circle stickers. That one says "Amok, amok, amok. Let me work my magic. Trouble is brewing." So it repeats a lot of stuff within this book. "Hello Weekend." Those are cool. It's different. Then we have the sisters and like very like ornate frames around them with foil. More kitty cat, Thackeray Binks. These are all clear. Then we do get some of the sisters. Not much variety, which is kind of a bummer, but you do get some with quotes. More of those same quotes. It's just a bunch of Hocus Pocus. Sisters stick together. I put a spell on you. Appointment, meeting, important. Ooh, this one's cool. With like the circle behind him. So you got some, oh, that one's cute too. More boxes, more cats, lots of cats. Take note, important. More of those cool boxes and some page flags. Okay, yeah, so not a lot of decorative. I mean, there's a lot of good functional stickers, but not as much decorative as I would have hoped to see. But still a cute book. And I'm gonna use it in a spread. Actually, I'm going to do a spread. I think release day? No, you know what? I might do a spread. I should probably do a spread now. I don't know. I haven't thought that far ahead. I actually have to film a couple of things before I actually use the items. You know, I gotta make stuff. Gotta make reels and all that. But I am gonna do a plan with me featuring definitely this book. I want to try to incorporate this because I like the image here, and I feel like that's a good one. And of course, have to figure out a way to add in the paper because I like doing that too. So that'd be like a fun combo, which I think will look cool. So stay tuned for that. But for now, definitely check out the preview, and yeah, if you're a fan of Hocus Pocus, then this is definitely something. I mean, it's cool that they have this theme in a box, so that's exciting. So yeah, definitely check out the preview. It'll have all the information over there as well. So I hope you all enjoyed watching this flip through or unboxing of this new Be Happy box. Definitely look out for that. Plan with me. I will have that before the box goes on sale, before Monday, so you can see like how I would use these items in a spread. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed watching. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, please hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you in the next one.